In a major boost to the Indian private defense industry, Hindustan Aeronautics has tied up with Alpha Design, Dynamatic Technologies and Larsen & Toubro, and HAL has outsourced significant production work on the 83 Tejas Mark 1A fighter jets to these private sector companies. The wings will now be manufactured by Larsen & Toubro, front fuselage will be made by Dynamatic Technologies, the middle section by VEM Technologies, and the rear section by Alpha Design. The Director General of Acquisition in the Defence Ministry has said that the issues relating to the pricing of the 83 Tejas Mark 1A fighter jets have been resolved, and a formal order would be placed over the next 2 to 3 months. The Tejas Mark 1A fighter jets will have a number of improvements over the current Mark 1, which includes the indigenous ACE radar system, self-protection jammer pod, in-flight refueling capability, integrated electro-optic EW sensor, and external refueling capability to increase its combat radius. The Tejas Mark 1A will be equipped with the 100 km range Israeli Derbe system, 300 km range Meteor system, 300 km range Next Generation BrahMos system, and 110 km range Astra system. According to latest reports, more than 50 Chinese and Pakistani fighter jets have completed the most comprehensive 2-week-long joint exercises in northwestern China. Both the Air Forces practiced air superiority air combat and joint air defense training, and J-10, J-16, J-F-17 Mirage 5 and several early warning aircraft were deployed for the joint combat training. The U.S. Navy has deployed its combat ship Gabriel Giffords to the Indo-Pacific theater, and this deployment is the latest sign that the U.S. Navy is gradually upping its game in the region. The combat ship is equipped with the new Naval Strike System, which is a legitimate challenge to Chinese ships at significant ranges. Top analysts have said that India is challenging Chinese influence in the South China Sea, as India has agreed to launch a maritime route with Russia that would go through the contested waters. Under the Memorandum of Understanding signed by India and Russia, a new Indo-Pacific Sea route will extend from the port city of Vladivostok to Chennai, and this shipping route will traverse the South China Sea. ISRO Chairman Dr. Keshavan has said that the orbiter has identified the exact location of the lander on the Moon, which had lost contact with the space agency just 2.1 kilometers above the Moon's surface. The orbiter has sent the thermal image of the lander, and the space agency is trying to establish communication with the lander. India's next mission to the Moon might include bringing back samples from the Moon's polar region, and the Indian Space Agency will tie up with Japanese Space Agency for this mission, and this joint Moon mission is likely to be implemented in 2024. The joint mission was also part of the intergovernmental discussions during the visit of Prime Minister Modi to Japan in 2018.